Hello, little explorers! Today, we're going on a fruity adventure. We'll learn about 20 amazing fruit trees that give us sweet, juicy, and strong bodies. Peach tree. This is a peach tree. It grows soft, fuzzy fruits that are pinkish orange and very sweet. Peaches are perfect for summer snacks and smoothies. Cherry tree. This is a cherry tree. It grows tiny red fruits that are juicy and delicious. In spring, cherry trees bloom with pink and white flowers, just like a fairy tale. Pear tree. This is a pear tree. It gives us fruits that are smooth and sweet. Pears can be green, yellow, or red, and they're super refreshing to eat. Papaya tree. This is a papaya tree. It grows tall with bunches of fruits near the top. Inside, the papaya is bright orange and full of healthy vitamins. Guava tree. This is a guava tree. It grows round, green fruits that smell amazing. Guavas taste sweet and a little tangy. Great for juice or snacks. Pomegranate tree. This is a pomegranate tree. It grows shiny red fruits filled with juicy seeds inside. Crunch munch. Every seed is like a tiny burst of sweetness. Lemon tree. This is a lemon tree. It grows bright yellow fruits that taste sour but fresh. We use lemons to make lemonade and yummy desserts. Coconut tree. This is a coconut tree. It's tall and grows near beaches. Inside the hard shell, there's sweet coconut water and soft white flesh. Perfect for hot days. Plum tree. This is a plum tree. It grows purple or red fruits that are soft, juicy, and full of flavor. You can make tasty jam from plums too. Custard apple tree. This is a custard apple tree. It grows fruits that look bumpy but taste creamy and sweet, just like a dessert pudding. Jackfruit tree. This is a jackfruit tree. It grows the biggest fruits in the world. They're spiky outside but soft, yellow, and sweet inside. Fig tree. This is a fig tree. It grows soft fruits that are sweet and chewy with tiny seeds inside. Figs are one of the oldest fruits. For more fun learning adventures. See you next time, little fruit explorers. Bye-bye.